Hi guys, I have another craft idea for you, and this one is called dot painting. So, see this rock that I have? I actually found this rock and somebody had done dot painting on it, and so it inspired me. And I have that, and then I have another one that a friend got me. This one is a heart, done in a heart shape. So you can do this on a rock, or you can just do it on paper or whatever you want. So, super easy. The supplies that you're gonna need are just whatever you're gonna paint on, whether it's a rock or paper. You need some paints, whatever colors you wanna paint with, just regular acrylic paint. And then something to put, a little dab of paint inside. I just got out of my recycle bin, got my egg carton out and just squirted some little dabs of paint in there. And then you just need some Q-tips and a pencil. And these are what you're going to use to make the dots. You have different sizes. And then some tissue to wipe the extra paint off. So what I did on one of the Q-tips, I took off the fuzzy part. I took off most of it, so I just kind of pulled it. And then I flattened it down, and I actually dipped it in some white paint and then pressed it down and let the paint dry, so it's now stiff and hard and won't absorb the new color paint, but the white paint just holds it in place. And then I did another tip where I just took off some of the fuzzy part, so it makes a little bit bigger point. And I did the same thing. I put some white paint on there and that holds it in place. And then the other one, I didn't take any of the fuzzy off. So that's gonna be a little bit bigger. So I've got my small, my medium, my next size up medium, and then I have a pencil, an eraser tip. That's gonna be my biggest dot. So, and then if I wanna use the teeny dot, I can do the pointy side of my pencil and do paint drops. So we're going to do it, let's do it on paper and see what this looks like. So I'm going to start with, how about with a big one? So I'm going to do my middle dot, I'm going to do blue for my middle dot. So I'm going to dip my pencil in there, and then I'm going to just go dot. Okay. And then, how about if I go a little bit bigger, or a little bit smaller? So I'm going to do the regular fuzzy part, and I'm going to do pink, and I'm going to do dot, dip it in again, I'm going to do dot, dot, a little more paint, dot. Okay, you see my design starting, and then how about I go to the next smaller size, and I'm going to do, how about some yellow? Do yellow, and how about right in here I'll do dot, and then a dot. So you kind of, I think, got to get a little bit of paint on there each time you make a dot. Okay, and now let's see the little bit smaller dot. This time I'll do the fourth color I have, I'll do some red. So dab it in there. And let's do dot. And I'm going to go all the way around. You can make whatever design you want. I'm just going around in circles, which a lot of people do. It's kind of common for this one, but you can do whatever shape you feel like doing. And you can use as many colors as you want. But see, I can just keep building out from there. Let's see what it looks like if I do one on a rock. Let me use my tissue, and I'm going to wipe off the blue paint because I want to do a different color for my middle one. And what if I do, how about yellow this time? And I'll do yellow dot. Okay, and then how about if I use the little pointy tip of my pencil, and let's do red, I'm going to dip, and I'm going to do, oh, that's a tiny, tiny dot. That's too small. Let's do the next size up. But I have to wipe it off first. So if you want to change the color, just wipe off your Q-tip, pinch it and get all the paint off. And we're going to do red. So let's do red, red. Look. See how easy that is? So I want to see pictures of what you guys make and tell me what you do with them. Okay? All right, have fun.